Hi, I'm Chikako Yoshida. I'm a regional director for Asia. I live in London. I commute to Manchester every week. I'm from Tokyo, in Japan. New inquiries, I got contacted by via LinkedIn. Yeah, he is from a Japanese chemical company, and he is interested in CBD, and he sees it as CBD as a future. こんにちは、はじめまして。I studied in Tokyo. I studied home economics because I was going to get married, or I was hoping to, and I just wanted to be a housewife. When I was 23, I lost my youngest brother. He was 17. He got leukemia, so he died, and I thought about my life and his life, and that changed my mentality completely. And now I am going to have a meeting with sales and operations for the Japanese warehouse. I wanted to change my career, so I moved to London, and I went to London University to study Middle East politics. Then I became counter-terrorist specialist. Then before I joined APO, I was in Pakistan working for UNODC, United Nations of Drugs and Crime, specializing in counterterrorism and illegal drug. I'm having a meeting with our commercial director, Yuri. Hello, Yuri. I went to the conference in Austria about cannabis. Then I started to watch the documentaries. One of the documentary I watched touched me and moved me a lot. A boy who is suffering from a tumor, and his parents gave him the crude oil, like THC and CBD oil. He was under the chemotherapy, but his appetite is becoming better, and he became more lively, and then the tumor has gone. There was not concrete scientific evidence that the cannabis helped to eliminate the tumor, but it helped his quality of life. So I thought that if this cannabis, the plant, can help those patients and the family, then that reminded me of how my family was devastated over my youngest brother's death. If we could have the choice, or if we knew about the cannabis about 25 years ago, then maybe he couldn't be cured, but his the last couple of months of his short life would have been better. So I thought that if I could be a part of supporting and helping those patients and families, then it could be my life mission. I had the opportunity to meet Gavin, and we talked about the Japanese market and the Japanese regulations, and he was quite serious about business in Japan. So I thought, why not? And his passion moved me and made me decide to join APO. Now about the cosmetic range. So because cosmetic registration in Japan is quite hectic. It has to go through different channels and registration process. And I am coordinating with manufacturers in Japan and the forwarders and APO operations. So how we are going to do it and which product we are going to register under the name of what. Japan has a great future.